Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI. I wanted to show you something that we use on our camping trips and our hiking trips to make cleanup a little bit easier. These are by Pharma-C and they are water activated bathing cloths. Now this is a really neat design because this is designed to open up and you add water inside the bag, let it set for a little bit, and it activates all the cloths at once. What we do is just use one at a time so that the bag lasts a little bit longer. They come in really handy when you don't have a good spot for bathing. They are rinse free, which I'll be honest, I had a hard time believing until I used them. There's no sticky residue left over. I've just washed my hands and my feet to show you guys how they work, and I did not rinse off at all. They feel perfectly smooth. They are very thick. I could not for the life of me pull this apart even if I wanted to. So it's not just like a regular wipe that you would get for a facial wipe or for baby wipes. They're very heavy duty, so I'm able to actually scrub the bottom of my feet and get them really clean without this turning into shreds. I know these are made for use on people who aren't able to bathe as regularly, but throw some in your camper, in your tent. They're a really nice thing to have on hand when you're out in the woods hiking and you want to do a quick cleanup. It suds up very quickly with just a tiny bit of water. I like to wash my dog's feet before he's able to get in the camper for the night because they're filthy, as are mine. I like to do a lot of things barefoot. So it's really nice to have these on hand. You smell really great when you're done with them. They have aloe leaf juice and vitamin E in them, and there is a fragrance, but to me, they're really not a strong fragrance at all. You just smell fresh. The pack reseals when you're done, so you're able to keep the rest of them ready for the next time you need them. So grab some of these, throw them in your camper, throw them in your tent. You'll be thankful that you have them after a long hike in the woods with the family. You guys can all feel really fresh before you head back home. And that's my point of view.